Hello, and thank you for choosing Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. My name is Chad Bruce, and today we're going to be having a look at a 2021 Explorer 7-passenger van. Let's have a look. Notice here on the outside it is white with like a two-tone light blue color. The two-tone leather interior as well. Does have a power running board there. We've got this brown carpet inside. Two-tone these chairs. Both these captain's chairs will move forward, and they will also spin all the way around. And they're also on quick release pedestals, so you can just pop the whole chair out if you want to. Also has child safety tethers for the car seats. If you folks have any questions on the pricing or options on this van, the first comment underneath this video is a link to it with all of that information. There's also another link that has my contact info in there as well. But we've got lit up cup holders here. That's a little air compressor thing for if you get a flat tire. Now this has the Vista Cruiser raised roof. This adds 10 inches of height to this van, making the exterior height 94 inches. So if you have an 8-foot garage door, this will still fit underneath of it. And then Explorer adds that green thing there is a side curtain airbag that goes from here all the way to the back. It is a GM part that Explorer purchases from them and adds to this van. We've got 2 little speakers here and also 2 speakers there on both sides of that Samsung 29-inch television. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. You've got this button here for TV speakers. If you have that in the off position like it is now, those headphones there will, the TV sound will come through that. If you switch this to TV on, then the sound from the TV will come through these speakers. We've got accordion shades on all the windows, LG Blu-ray player here. It's got HDMI port and a power outlet for a gaming console. 2 chairs up here in the front are power controls on the sides. Down here on both of them, also they're heated with power lumbar in them. Hop out here and look at the outside. Not the fanciest wheels on this. These are a 16-inch rim, but this will have the best ride of all the vans here. Still got plenty of life on those. This has 32,000 miles on it. A very clean van. This step here, this license plate bracket is a step. You can step up, get under the hood, clean off the windshield. Not noticing any cosmetic issues with this van. We do have like a limo tent, and this has a blind side indication system here. If someone's in your blind spot, that will light up. Come around to the back. This does have a hitch down here. Also has a 4-pin and 7-pin wiring, reverse sensors, and reverse camera. We've got 2 foot of storage right there. Actually, this is more than that. It's slid all the way up, so you've got 30 inches. Slide this. I'm doing the wrong one here. Sorry. That is all the way up. So there's 30 inches of storage right there. And slide it back, you get 24 inches. Got a little vacuum cleaner in here, and then there's a tire jack. You push this down, the 3rd cushion in the middle pops up, makes this into a big bed. And then those 2 chairs up front will spin around, so that can add like another 1.5 foot onto the end of this bed if you got someone really tall trying to fit in there. A super clean van. Very pretty, unique colors. Let's have a look behind the wheel. Power running board there. This leather wrapped steering wheel with a faux wood. This has a giant Boss audio system elite head unit here. Appears to be at least an 8-inch display, possibly 9. Does have Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. Put it in reverse. We've got the camera displays there, and then the camera also displays there as well. We've got climate control for the rear, climate control for the front. We've got OnStar. There's a power outlet here, 12 volt, or that's USB port. There's 12 volt plug right there. This has 32,128 miles on it. And then I forgot to show you that opens up and is a little cooler. So again, this is Paul Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. This is a 2021 7-passenger GMC Explorer. My name's Chad Pruce. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans in our inventory, please give me a ring. Number is 937-778-0830. My extension is 1123. Again, all pricing information is in the first comment of this video. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Also, my contact info is at the bottom of that comment as well. Again, number is 937-778-0830, extension 1123. Thanks.